Hi, baby girl. You making noise?
Good.
Look at you kicking them little legs.
Oh, isn't that wonderful, Aaron?
Kicking them legs.
Everything's moving. And that's her only way to tell us if something's not right.
It's okay. You're gonna eat real soon, baby. That's a good girl. You gonna open your eyes a little bit? Huh? You wanna open them a little bit? Okay. We'll try again later.